is nothing but micro meaning extremely small. Bio meaning is life. Ology meaning the study of. Overall, microbiology is the study of extremely small living things. Small living things are microorganisms. Microorganisms is nothing but this is all very small in size and they cannot be seen through the naked eyes. It can be seen only with the help of microscope. You and I cannot see the microorganisms through the eyes. It has a demand. We have to see this by the help of microscope. Microorganisms is also known as microbes. There is not a millions or billions, but there are more than a trillions of organisms that you and I can't see these organisms. Maybe you have a questions where their microorganisms are living. Here they are. It occurs everywhere. They are found in air, water, like ponds, lakes, rivers, and oceans, even in soil and inside our bodies. Will you believe that they are present in inside our bodies? Microorganisms are Microorganisms are majorly classified into 5 types, such as virus, bacteria, fungi, algae, and protozoa. Let me repeat: virus, bacteria, fungi, algae, and protozoa. Let's start understanding the first one, which is virus. The study of virus is also known as virology. It is a minute particles which is made up from genetic materials and proteins. It is made up from inborn. It is heredity. In Latin, virus means poison. They are present in between living and non-living things. Let me tell you, students, viruses are only and only living when they are present inside living body. So, when they enter in the body, they immediately start multiplying. They multiply again and again and causes various diseases in human. So, it causes various diseases in human such as cold, flu, polio and many more. Do you have any idea that a single drop of water contains millions of viruses? Viruses has different shapes like spherical and other shapes, that is complex shapes, helical shapes. This is an example of virus, that is bacteriophage. It has a DNA. Some viruses has DNA, some may has RNA. It has a head. The center part is sheet and it has a core. It is also example of virus that is in spherical in shape, which is influenza, that is in round shape. It has RNA. It is a helical virus, which is tobacco mosaic virus. It has RNA. This is how viruses looks like. Viruses shows both living and non-living characteristics. What is living virus and what is non-living? The, the virus act to heat, respond to heat, chemicals, radiation. If we put a heat or chemicals to the virus or some let me or some in water, it will react. If we in this, it will react. That is a living virus. As I said that viruses reproduce inside the host cell and produce copies of themselves, that is, multiplying again and again and cause various diseases. That is a living virus. Non-living virus, they inactive when present freely in the environment. They can be crystallized and stored for a very long time. Nowadays, people are affected from coronavirus. What is it? Don't you think that it is a virus? It is a non-living because some people may get affected from this, but there is no symptoms because they are crystallized in our body and stored for a very long time. It causes many diseases to plant, not only to the human, it also causes